It's October, it's open house season, and this video is all about where you need to be and what you're going to see. So we're going to be talking through all of the brands. So let's kickstart, because October the 1st, we're heading to Citizen, and they are having an open house event at their Briley Hill.
Here on show, there's going to be the new L12 Type 10, which actually has more tools on the rear than the previous Type 7. There's going to be some show deals on 0% deposit, 0% interest, all of that. And
Great
like
finance
say,
deals.
that is in Briley Hill. I've not been to that facility, but I'm sure it's an attractive one worth going to.
Hexagon, they have an event, Hexagon Live, on October the 1st as well. They already have 3,000 to 4,000 people attending this event, and it's all about the whole complete solution.
That is Hexagon MI. Take you from the design stage, the CAD CAM, through to the manufacturing, through to the metrology, and this is kind of joining the dots up of all of those things. These are fantastic events because they have breakout sessions as well, don't they?
Yes, they've got some keynote speakers there. So if you think all of those people are there, then they make it a little bit personal, 30 to 40 people in each session. So really, really good one to put in your diary. Next up, ETG, October the 2nd and 3rd. We're there presenting.
Discover Turnkey Excellence. So will be the new MX 100 multitasking machine. There's several machines on show, many machines on show, showcasing the turnkey element of engineering, taking apart from the start and giving you the solution from one end to the other, and you're going to be challenging the sales guys.
We are, so we want you to learn a lot walking away from this event. We're going to be there, and it's going to be quite a great, a big show.
It will be. Looking forward to that one, as well as this one, Star GB.
Yes, of course. That's happening on the 8th, 9th and 10th of October. Brand new SX38 machine.
Now, this is a bigger, a heavier machine, 11 kilowatts of power on the main and the sub-spindle, with an array of tooling on here to do complex parts, but challenging parts. The thing is with sliding head lathes, and where Star are going with this, is parts that used to be made on milling machines are now being made on sliding head lathes like this, and this is at their facility.
Loads and loads of technology, including their new smooshy technology, but you need to go to the event to find out more.
Loads
and HFT.
Yeah.
HURCO, 9th of October.
Just moved into a brand new facility in High Wycombe, and this day is going to be dedicated to showcasing that larger, what we call showroom. There's going to be more machines there on show, their latest technology there in High Wycombe still, but they've just moved just down the road. But it's a one-day event, really dedicated to the opening of that facility.
And we've got Mills CNC the 9th and 10th of October.
Yeah, so on the 9th and 10th of October, Mills CNC, another giant leap. Now, this event, I was speaking to Pete Smith yesterday at Mills CNC, as you'll see here. This event is, again, it's about technology and automation. Pete alluded to the fact himself that Mills are known for selling, hundreds of machines every year, but sometimes they're not considered for the technology that they can actually offer now.
Wow.
And Doosan really are at the forefront of that. And this event is, showcasing, I think it's 15 machines, 4 new models worth going to, and that's on the 9th and 10th of October.
Lots to see. There's only a few more. So we've got MATSUURA the 8th, 9th and 10th. They are showcasing what we saw out at EMO, the MX 850 4-pallet machine. And this is a huge machine, and it's kind of grown from the 330 and the 520, and now they've gone bigger and better.
Yeah, and I was waiting for you to talk about that one, because it is a great machine, and we covered it. But what we also looked at was the Muratech machines there that are going to be on show. There's going to be 2 of those here. We saw them at EMO. If you like axes moving everywhere and parts coming off machines quickly, then they're definitely ones to look at. There'll also be the HP 3D printing.
3D printing, that's what
3D printing. Also, their horizontal, their H plus 300 machines, and their other H plus machines, and other 5-axis like the 330 and the 520 as well.
And breathe. And then we're going on to the 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th of October. That is the DMG MORI open house event. Don't forget, the last day is always Apprentice Day. They're basically bringing everything that they had over at EMO home. Not everything, of course they can't, but the idea of the show. Automation is key here.
Yeah, so at the DMG show, there is 11 machines from DMG MORI, 3 different 5-axis configurations. There's robotics on lathes, there's the additive program, the Apprentice Day, like you say. But if you went to EMO, Hall 2 was DMG
just
MORI.
DMG MORI.
So the whole of Hall 2, it had around about just less than 100 machines, I believe, 27 of which were equipped with automation. There is a theme running through this video today about automation and digitisation, and there's more to come as well. But as I know, as Steve said to you, that this is really where they want to take productivity to the next level. And with that 5-axis technology on show, as well as the automation on the lathes and the other products, it's...
and finance options with DMG MORI as well, because they've got their own book too.
And not to forget that apprentice day as well.
Yeah.
Because that's always good for the youngsters to get integrated into the
all
industry.
levels, everybody at different levels, welcome to go to all the events, to be honest with you. Right, okay, we move on to ISCAR, the event, and this is the 16th and 17th. They've already got hundreds of people registered, but we, which is really exciting, are going to do some really exciting live pieces to camera when we're there. So we want you to go along, meet us and see all the technology. You could maybe be in a video too.
Yeah, it's in Birmingham. Like you said, hundreds of people already registered. We'll be doing live feeds on the day for the thousands out there that can't make it to the event. But the machining techniques is what it's labelled, and it's about machining different materials such as titaniums, Inconel 718, alloy steels, Toolox 39 and 430 alloys. So really,
you know what all of those are?
I absolutely. I wasn't just reading off the card, I promise. But it is an event where they'll have machine tools in action, and they'll be demonstrating the best ways to cut those materials with the relevant tooling.
Okay, and then we've got the FANUC open house event as well. This is huge because I spoke to Tom Bouchier about this, and actually you can look at online at the videos, but it's a fantastic event, bringing assistant partners to their facility as well. And they're really bringing home automation. You know, we're 15th in line in Europe for automation.
Well,
and
this
they're
is the
bringing
point.
that home.
300 robots per 10,000 in Germany. 71 here in the UK. And the Germany's output is far greater than ours, and their growth in manufacturing has been greater than ours as well. Or I say their growth, the amount of robots that are being purchased has been greater than ours and continues to. And people talk about losing jobs as a result of automation. Well, that's not true. In fact, for every job lost to automation, 3 are gained. And I think that's the big point here.
It's a great video.
A great video that Lyndsey's done with Tom, but it's the 29th, 30th and 31st at FANUC in Coventry. There'll be integrated partners there.
MTC are there.
The MTC will be there. You'll be talking about one of the world's largest robots that's able to lift the heaviest payload will be there in action. There'll be machine tools being fed by robots. There'll be the whole
local MPs are there, Mazak are going there, loads of system partners.
And MTD-CNC are going to be there.
Well, yeah, we'll be there too.
And you can register for all these events on the MTD-CNC website. You need to visit our events page via the MTD-CNC website.
Look forward to seeing you.